So hello students, hope you are okay. So this question has been asked in the examination. Just read the question statement. An alternator is operating on infinite bus. It will develop maximum synchronizing power when it is operating at no load condition. Is this correct? Or full load condition? Is this correct? Or steady state condition, stability limit, or any load? So out of these four options, only one option is correct. Only one option is correct, and you have to find out that correct option, right? And you have to choose that option, right? So see here how to solve this question. So you know that on the power angle characteristic you have studied. On this axis I am plotting, vertical axis I am plotting the power, electrical power, and on horizontal axis I am plotting the load angle delta, right? So this axis is load angle delta, right? And this is my power angle characteristic. So if it is a synchronous generator, it will deliver the maximum power at delta is equal to 90 degree. You will get P max, maximum power. P is electrical power. So for alternator electrical power output, P is equal to EF Vt by Xs into sine delta, right? So for synchronizing, he is asking you to calculate that maximum synchronizing power. He is asking you to calculate at what load it will occur. So you know that for maximum synchronizing power, the synchronizing power coefficient will be maximum, which is given by, let me denote it by synchronizing power coefficient SP, right? S suffix P. It is given by dPe by d delta, right? dPe by d delta. So when you differentiate this equation with respect to delta, you will get what you will get. You will get EF into Vt by Xs into sine delta. Differentiation of sine delta is cos delta, right? So this is the maximum this is the synchronizing power coefficient, and it will be maximum, right? It will be maximum at delta is equal to 0 degree, because at delta is equal to 0, this cos delta, it will be maximum, right? Keeping all of the parameter fixed, you can say that the cos delta, it would be maximum at delta is equal to 0 degree, and at that condition your synchronizing power coefficient will be maximum, and at that point you will get the alternator will develop the maximum synchronizing power, right? So that's the best condition to synchronize the alternator. So at delta is equal to 0, you will get synchronizing power, it would be equal to EF Vt by Xs, right? This is maximum, right? So let me denote, this is maximum value of synchronizing power coefficient. Let me denote it by Xp maximum, right? So what is the meaning of load angle delta is equal to 0? Load angle delta, the meaning is that this is a no load condition. Yes, this is a no load condition, right? That means when the alternator, if you want to synchronize the alternator, then the best condition is you synchronize it at no load, delta is equal to 0 condition. That means at this condition, at delta is equal to 0 condition, at no load condition, you will get the maximum synchronizing power. So that's the best situation to synchronize the alternator, right? At no load. So if you see the phasor diagram at no load, you can draw it like this. This is terminal voltage phasor Vt, and in parallel with it draw your excitation EMF. That means at no load, that means at delta is equal to 0, you will get the maximum synchronizing power, and that's the best condition to synchronize your alternator, right? So that's your answer. So what is the answer? No load condition. Option A is correct. At no load, alternator will develop the maximum synchronizing power, right? So A is correct. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.